Hey everyone, today I'm demonstrating a simple RAG application which fetches the data from the PPTX files and use it for the user queries. And the data which is used for the demo is like Queensland Government Justice Department data. So this data mainly deals with the gambling harm awareness materials. These are all the PPTX file, and these files data is loaded into Azure Search Services and using a tokenizer and chunking and also embeddings from the Azure OpenAI, and the data is loaded into Azure Search Services. And there is also a middle tier API which facilitates the chat and document search for the user. And also the Azure OpenAI LLM GPT-4, it is used for the summarizing the data which is in turn fetched by the Azure Search Service as per the user search. And there is a Streamlit application which is a user interface for the user. And let me go into the demo. So you refresh this, and this is the application which is developed, and here we have an option to choose the file which we want to chat with. So let me go with like gambling justice sector. There is one file, and I'm asking that to summarize. So we got the summary which is present in the pptx file, and this also shows us the context used, like which slide and which data we are getting and everything. And here if you see, we are fetching all the reference data, and in the slide numbers from which slide we are fetching it, so all the details will be shown over here. And there is also option like we can ask the follow-up question. So here if we see, we have a support services, right? I can ask a question. Provide me all the context. So the data is fetched. If we see here, this is my second question, and it provided me all the support service contacts which are mentioned in the PPT. And we can also chat with the multiple documents over here. Like let me clear this chat, and let me select multiple documents, gambling, gaming, and gambling harm. So two documents. I'm asking it to summarize again. So it provided me the data. If you see here, like I am going with the gaming and harm, right? So it is giving it terms like gaming, gambling, and everything, and also the simulated data which is shown over here. And if you want to see the context here, so this is the data which is loaded from gambling gaming. And if you see here, and it also fetched the data from, go, yeah, gambling harm also. So 28 slides from gambling harm and other slides from the gambling gaming. So all the data is fetched from this pptx file, and that is used to summarize. So let's ask a follow-up question like, What are potential harms? So this gave the answer. If you see here, like there are all the potential harms for gambling, all are mentioned over here. So like this, we can chart with any number of files which has been used to train the RAG. And thank you.